When the enamel on your teeth is damaged by bacteria, it can lead to cavities and tooth decay. This can cause sensitivity and pain. Here are a few home remedies for toothache relief. Zinc oxide. Take zinc oxide and add 2 drops of clove oil. Mix it well. Make a small thick paste. Put it on affected area. Saltwater rinse. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this solution for 30 seconds, focusing on the affected area. Spit it out and repeat multiple times a day. This helps reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Clove oil. Soak a cotton ball in clove oil and place it directly on the affected tooth for a few minutes. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural anesthetic and can help relieve toothache pain. Brushing. Brush your teeth regularly in circular motion after meal. Avoid using sugary snacks and drinks. These cause cavity in your teeth. If the cavity forms in between your teeth, this may result in removing structure of teeth. Garlic. Crush a clove of garlic, mix it with a little salt, and apply it directly to the affected tooth. Garlic has antibacterial properties that can help alleviate pain and reduce infection. Hydrogen peroxide. It helps in pain relief. You can use this as mouthwash with lukewarm water. Keep rinsing your mouth for a few minutes. Cloves. Take cloves in the mouth and chewing the clove for some time. It relieves the tooth pain. Peppermint tea. Brew a strong cup of peppermint tea, allow it to cool, and swish it around in your mouth for a few minutes before spitting it out. Peppermint has numbing properties that can provide temporary relief from toothache pain. Cold compress. Apply a cold compress or ice pack wrapped in a thin cloth to the cheek or jaw area near the affected tooth. This can help reduce swelling and numb the area, providing relief from pain. Guava leaves. Take guava leaves and let it boil. Add some sea salt in it. Make a mouthwash and wash your teeth with this. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.